Find or read reviews that people are talking about Warmodern 2-pack double sliding bathroom cabinet organizer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Warmodern 2-pack double sliding bathroom cabinet organizer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Double sliding drawers design. Our under-sink organizer adopts a double sliding design, and the top and bottom are drawers that can be easily slid out. It is not only convenient to find articles from the accumulated sundries but also can make the most of the space. Effective space saving. Perfect size 15.4 x 8.3 x 12.6 inch or 39 x 21 x 32 cm. The bathroom organizer under sink can perfectly store most bathroom supplies, kitchen condiments, tabletop cosmetics, and more, providing more possibilities for your home storage and saving you a lot of space. Also, this is easy to install, no tools and screws are required, and it can be installed quickly in just a few steps. We have clear assembly instructions, so don't worry about installation troubles. High-quality under-sink storage. The kitchen cabinet organizer is made of high-quality thickened ABS plastic material, and the 4 support tubes are made of stainless steel, with stronger bearing capacity and durability. We are also equipped with 8 hooks and 4 hanging cups to add more space for you to hang things. The bathroom sink organizer basket is hollowed out for easy drainage and cleaning. Just wipe the surface with a damp cloth and keep it dry. Wide application. Warmodern 2-pack under cabinet organizer adopts a double-layer design, which can store your items to the greatest extent without worrying about messiness. It can be used as an under-sink organizer, bathroom storage, kitchen organizer, desktop cosmetic storage rack and more. Very suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, offices, and other places. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.